Hello people, on today's video we've come to take a look at the work that has just recently started at junction 4 of the M57 motorway at Moorgate Road in Kirkby and the East Lancashire Road. It's a local highway infrastructure upgrade programme. As I say, work started at the end of Feb, so the scheme will be delivered in two phases. So the plan is for the scheme to deliver active travel and capacity improvements at junction 4 of the M57 motorway, Moorgate Road and East Lancashire Road, providing a fit-for-purpose, high-quality, resilient network fit for the future. Upgrades to the current network will see improved facilities for non-motorised users to improve local connectivity, addressing road safety issues for all modes of transport. All works will involve resurfacing, drainage and street lighting improvements where appropriate. Some works will include improvements at the junction of Moorgate Road and East Lancashire Road. So a new and separate cycle crossings will be built to improve the safety of cyclists while making their journey through the junction quicker and more efficient. A reduction in the speed limit of the East Lancashire Road from 50 miles per hour to 40 miles per hour. Improvements for cyclists and pedestrians at Ribblers Lane, making it safer and easier to join up to the existing cycle routes. Widening of the carriageways to create extra lanes and increase capacity at both junctions, while also adding new traffic signals to the junction 4 of the M57 and upgrading the existing signals at Moorgate Road, junction East Lancashire Road. So as I say, this scheme will be delivered in two phases. The first, phase 1, will begin with the widening of the carriageway of Moorgate Road South. The existing traffic signal arrangement will be improved to assist the traffic flow. Speed cameras and red light traffic cameras are due to be installed at this junction of the East Lancs Road, Moorgate Road. They are similar to regular speed cameras, but will also detect when a motorist goes through a red traffic signal light. Having these measures in place will reduce the amount of motorists speeding and going through red signals, which will improve the overall safety of the junction. Improvements of the junction will be separate cycle crossings will be built to improve the safety and efficiency of the movement for cyclists throughout the junction. And as I say, new traffic signals will mean that cyclists will be able to cross Moorgate Road South and the East Lancashire Road in one continuous movement. The narrowing of a carriageway and introducing a pedestrian crossing facility on Ribblers Lane will reduce vehicle speeds and improve visibility in both directions. Widening of the footway next to the westbound East Lancashire Road carriageway over Knowsley Brook will also happen. Speed limits, which we spoke about, the reduction in the speed limit of the East Lancashire Road from 50 to 40 between Alchemy Way and the boundary within Liverpool. So that's all phase 1. Phase 2 will be to widen Moorgate Road South approach to the M57 junction 4 to create an additional lane on the roundabout. The carriageway will be widened to increase the capacity on the approach to the junction 4. This will also involve some landscaping works in the central reservation, as well as improving direction signage. On approach to the roundabout, there will be installing new traffic signals, which will improve the traffic flows entering the roundabout at peak times and throughout the day. Widening of the circulatory carriageway of junction 4. The roundabout will be widened to complement the additional lanes on School Lane and Moorgate Road, increasing capacity and reducing journey times for vehicles. School Way will be widened at the approach to the M57 junction 4 to create an additional lane on the roundabout. This will also help to increase capacity next to Knowsley Business Park. So there's a lot going on here, and the work is due to be carried out for the next 10 months. So as I say, it started at the end of Feb, so you're going to be looking at the end of December, beginning of 2026. You know, as always with these works, there can be delays as well, so it could go on well into the new year in 2026. But some of the key benefits will be active travel options, which will be improved as cyclists will have a clear and efficient route that is separate from motorists. The proposals will also improve conditions for pedestrians on associated roads, increasing safety for the most vulnerable road users. The improvements will help to relieve a concentration of pinch points and issues at these junctions and the connecting roads. By increasing capacity, this will reduce congestion, meaning road users will travel through these junctions with less waiting times. And the scheme will directly address current and future environmental issues by providing capacity improvements, therefore reducing the congestion, which increases vehicle emissions. So as I say, work started on this scheme towards the end of February. It's only been going on for a week or so. I thought I'd come down, take a look at what's going on, give you a bit of an insight into that, give you a bit of information. It is something that I will keep an eye on over the next, as I say, 10 months. This is projected to be going on for. I will be down there every so often, taking a look at the progress of the works and keeping you all updated. So this is the local highway infrastructure upgrade programme at the junction 4 of M57 motorway, Moorgate Road and the East Lancashire Road.